Hi all memory superheroes. This interview is for memory recall aspirants who want to learn faster and want to achieve maximum in their life by keeping all their limitations behind. Today on our show that is Wisdom from Experts, we have Mr. Anil Tarmari, a blogger, a podcaster, a YouTuber, an aspiring author and life coach. He is an engineer by profession with 34 years of industrial experience in the corporate world across various industrial sectors like cutting tools, precision textile bearings, pneumatic tools, and geosynthetics products. If I have to tell you about his specialties are he's a people manager, recruiter, and industrial project execution specialist. He has a special interest and competence in quality management system, EQM, QA, and business excellence, and world-class manufacturing. He has hands-on experience in designing, implementing, and certification of ISO 9001 quality management system in 5 organizations. Can you believe 5 organizations? He's also certified in Six Sigma Green Belt. He's proficient in laboratory certification as per NABL ISO IC 17025 accreditation. CE marking, supply chain management, operations management, vendor development, and vendor audits. You're definitely going to get a lot of wisdom from him. So if I have to tell you where he can be reached at amazinglifestylehub.com. And he's on a mission to help 1 million people to identify and pursue their passion so that they can lead a happy, prosperous, and spiritual lifestyle. So let's hear about this more from him only. So let's welcome Anil on the show. So welcome Anil on the show. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Chakradhar.
Welcome to
I'm
the
really
show.
grateful to you.
Yeah.
And I'm super excited to be on this chat show.
Okay. Me too. I am also very much excited because I have seen your introduction and a lot of things you have did, and that to be 34 years of experience. So definitely it is going to be a very exciting thing. So I just want to understand if everything is okay. Should I start with my very first question? Can we start with
Yeah.
question answer
Yeah,
session?
please,
Yeah.
please. Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Yeah. So the very first question for you is why did you make a decision to become a life coach?
Yeah. Yeah, Chakradhar, this is a
What
very,
bring you to the life coaching thing? Yeah, sorry.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Yeah, it's a very good question and very exciting question. See, over my these 30 plus years of experience,
Mm-hmm.
I have come across a
Okay.
lot of people, my bosses, my
Mm-hmm.
colleagues, my
Mm-hmm.
juniors,
Mm-hmm.
and like everybody, I have gone through ups and downs in life, lows
Right.
and highs.
Mm-hmm.
It's a part and parcel of the life.
Yes.
So I have learned a lot of things in this 30 plus years of my industrial experience.
Okay.
I had the chance to interact with a lot of top bosses of the industry
Okay.
across various sectors. I have traveled all over India, and even I have traveled to China, I have traveled to Singapore, Thailand, and Nepal. So I was fortunate to interact with a lot many people,
Okay.
understand their insights and all.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever I used to travel on airplanes and all,
Mm-hmm.
I used to just chit chat with my co-passengers, and sometimes I had met very good experienced people, like in the HR profession, in
Okay.
pursuing their own passions.
Mm-hmm.
A lot many people I've interacted.
Okay.
So in this journey,
Mm-hmm.
being in industry, I have interviewed lot many people. I've interviewed hundreds of people
Great.
for
Mm-hmm.
recruitment.
Mm-hmm.
These are mostly diploma holders and graduate engineers.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But what I get to know from these people,
Mm-hmm.
say most of these people have either done the diploma or the graduation in engineering, not knowing or not willing. In
Mm-hmm.
the sense, see, there is some parental pressure or
Right.
some peer group pressure.
Yeah.
See, all my friends are going to engineering, so let's go to
Yeah,
engineering.
we will also go to that.
So,
Right. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So there is no purpose or there is no idea behind why
Mm-hmm.
we should
Right.
do either engineering or medicine or which I'm not telling any other field is not bad, not this thing. But see, when we were young, we didn't had this internet, we didn't had social media,
Right.
nothing. Only thing we were depending on the books and the newspapers, and
Right.
that big radio.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. That's all was the means of communication.
Right.
In this journey, as I interact with a lot of people, I came to know many people. They just, in the sense, go with the drift of life. In the sense that
Okay.
they don't decide to do what they want to do,
Right.
or rather,
Right.
they don't know what they want to become.
Right.
Their parents have told, or their friends are telling, something like that, they will do it. And
Right.
when we were young, in that I can say in early and later part of 80s, only two professions were recognized. All
Yeah, very
parents
prominent.
wanted their children to be either an engineer or a
Doctor, yeah.
doctor. uh, Otherwise there is no scope,
No
nothing.
scope, right.
You're of no use.
Yeah.
It was the scenario at that time.
Yes.
But it is good that over decades, the scenario has changed. A lot of
Right.
professions have come in.
Yes.
And when I interacted and started interviewing these people in the last 15 years, I understood many have joined engineering and the diploma and the degree because of some such scenario.
Yeah.
They don't
Yes.
know why we have joined.
Yes.
So what happens in this scenario? They will not be having that passion for this profession.
Obviously.
See here, being in industry, I am referring only to the industrial profession in the sense
Yes.
for the diploma and engineering.
Graduate engineers, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they don't have the passion for this.
Yes.
So naturally, they won't excel.
Yeah.
Because they don't have passion, they don't have interest. Just for the sake of it, they are doing it.
They're doing a job.
Somehow they complete their diploma or a degree, then they find some job, and then again, due to the family pressures, or the you can say the restrictions, or the whatever the things, they get married.
Yeah.
Then again, see, they get drifted with this life story.
Right. Right.
They really they don't know what they wanted to achieve, what they're achieving, nothing. They're
Yes.
just flowing. They're just
Yeah.
flowing. By
Purpose
the
is
time
missing
they
there.
could,
Yeah.
purpose is missing.
Yeah.
Purpose is missing.
Yeah.
By the time they could realize something, they're already in later 40s.
Right. Yes.
So my purpose is to not happen this to any other people.
Right.
Okay. So I want to help people by designing their life as
Yes.
per their purpose, as per their wish, as per
Yeah.
their talent, as per
Right.
their passion,
Right.
and pursue it.
Yeah.
Then only you can excel.
Obviously.
Here I
Yes.
would like to quote from the famous Bollywood movie, Three Idiots. One of the idiots, Farhan, again, due to his parental pressure, he had joined engineering.
Engineering. Yeah.
But actually, he wanted to be a wildlife photographer.
Photographer. Yes.
Yeah, in fact, he had received some scholarship, something like that. But due to parental pressure, he didn't dare to express that in the beginning. He joined
Right.
the engineering, and he is not enjoying. He is not feeling
Yes.
well.
Yeah.
On the other hand, Rancho, whose passion is engineering, whose
Right.
passion is machines,
Yeah.
so he is doing excellent. He is excelling
Yes.
in all fields,
Right.
and without any effort.
Yeah.
Because when you're pursuing your passion, you don't feel that pressure.
Yeah.
You enjoy that. You
Yes.
enjoy that.
You enjoy the
don't
whole
feel
process.
that-
Yeah.
Yes,
You enjoy the whole process. Right.
So here Rancho is enjoying the whole process, and Farhan is somehow pulling the days. He's not excelling, always under pressure. So I don't want this to happen to other people.
Right.
So why I have taken this life coaching is because of that.
Okay.
I want to educate the people, the students and the young professionals,
Right.
to design their own life
Yeah.
and lead it
Right.
successfully. So in my this career, I have been a trainer for a long time. I have been training my juniors, colleagues, a lot of even the peers. So most of the trainings, were technical trainings. But
Yeah.
apart from that, I used to conduct a lot of trainings on self-improvement,
Okay.
soft skills, and other things. But somehow these trainings were not that much appreciated, not technical, but the soft skills and all.
Right, right.
Then I thought, what will correlate with the people?
Right.
Then I designed a training on life goals.
Okay.
Immediately, people could relate with that story.
Yes, yes, yeah.
They started giving me good response, and that in fact encouraged me. Why not to pursue this and
As a
take this
career,
as
yeah.
my niche,
Right,
as
yeah.
my niche, and to help people to design their life and lead the life they want.
Right.
See, if somebody wants to be a photographer, let him be a photographer.
Yes,
There is
yes.
no
Harm in
good or
that, yeah.
bad. Yeah.
Yes.
It is not that everyone should become a doctor or engineer or a
Yes.
lawyer. No.
Yes.
As you know, now there are hundreds of fields available in
Yes,
career.
yes, there are, and people are not looking forward, or they are not going into exploring those fields because they are
Yes.
still concentrating on those two professions only. That's the main issue. Yeah.
Yeah. Those two professions, and ultimately, see, in the Indian typical mentality, you know, roti, kapda, or makan.
Right.
If you have this, you are successful in life.
Yes. Yeah.
Huh?
We have already defined success, which is not actually the actual definition of success is. If you
Yes.
are happy, then you are successful. If you are not happy, you are not successful. That is what I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. My definition of success is if you have the freedom, you have the financial freedom, you have the health freedom, you have the freedom to pursue your passion and do whatever you want and when you want.
Yes.
You're not bound by 9 to 5 jobs, or you're not bound by the financial restrictions.
Right.
So if you have a freedom to pursue what you want, that is real success. That is real success.
Agreed.
So when I was training this, these people come from different backgrounds. Means some are from the farmer community, some are from the urban community. Though they are diploma holders and engineers, they come from different background, different states.
Yes.
So with different cultures and different mindsets.
Right.
With the training, definitely we can train them with some skills.
Right.
Okay. The difference between education and training and coaching. Education just gives you loads of knowledge, but you don't know how to implement it.
Yes.
That is why when after completing a course or a education, they come to the real field, they are stuck. They don't know what to do.
Right.
Because they are not skilled to do the work.
Yeah.
So training definitely helps in building those skills.
Right.
Okay. So through those trainings, I was able to teach them the skills that are necessary in their job, whether it's a supervisor or an engineer or a whoever the things, a CNC programmer, whoever the things. So that was there, but still there was something missing. They were able to do only the that part of the job.
Okay.
Whatever we have taught, that skill they were able to do it.
Right.
But still there was something missing.
Yeah.
So then I thought, I read a lot of books, and I was fortunate to have a lot of people as mentors. Like in 2013, I attended a session by Sneh Desai.
Okay.
Then Rohini Mundra.
Yeah.
Then Vijay Gautam, Siddharth Rajshekhar. Then I am a follower of Robin Sharma.
Okay. Yeah.
5am
Club.
5am Club. And of late, even I am with Rahul Badami.
Okay.
He's
this public speaker. Yeah.
Public speaker, and he is guiding to publish the books.
Okay. Yeah. He's helping in publishing book also. Yes.
Yeah. He is specialized in that. So I thought then just trainings are not sufficient. There is something additional push is needed.
Right.
So then I started coaching. So the difference between training and coaching, as per me, training gives you skills.
Right.
Okay, it's a skill development.
Yeah.
But coaching is the personality development.
Yes, and it keeps you on that path, that this is your path and you have to follow this path, right?
Exactly. So with that, it started appealing to people.
Yes.
So I formed a core group. I have got a Telegram group also.
Okay.
Where I have got a lot of people. You can say it's a small community where I'm guiding them, interacting with them to find out their passion, then pursue that. Okay. So with all this background, I decided to be a life coach.
Okay. Great. So what you have did, you have actually combined all your wisdom till date, all 34 years of knowledge and meeting with people, and then you have came to one point that this can be shared and this can help a lot of people. So that's why you have came into this, right?
Definitely,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you for that, sir. So what are some of the services that you plan to offer? Like you, as you said, you have just started with coaching, so you definitely would have some plan that these are some of the services which I'm going to offer to my mentees or people. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. See, I have designed some small PPTs and you can say it courses. I will be later on converting them into the courses. With these, I'm already training people in-house in the organization. So basically, I want to maximize the potential of the mentees in all areas of life. Okay. As you know, a survey result tells with the training, you can increase about 24% productivity.
Yes.
But the combination of training and coaching can really boost the productivity to almost 88%.
88%.
So
Almost double. Yeah. Almost double.
yeah, 88%. Here what I'm doing to who am or talking now, my friend circle and my some of my juniors and all who are whom I'm assisting. So first is I calibrate their long-term and short-term goals. First of all, even you will have to tell people you have to formulate goals, short-term,
Right.
long-term goals.
Yes.
Then after that, we identify the limiting beliefs.
Yes.
There are some limiting beliefs because of
what are stopping
yeah,
them? Yeah.
yeah,
Right.
what are stopping them. So identify their limiting beliefs. Then review all the resources available to them.
Yes.
Review all the resources available and have a complete contour of their personality.
Okay.
Okay. Based on this, I help them in designing an action plan.
Right.
It may be action plan is like immediate what to be done,
Yes.
midterm, long term. See, it all depends. It's all custom made all the time
Right. Right.
because each individual is different.
Yes.
Their needs are different.
Right.
Their needs are different. So based on this, I will be. I'm already training and coaching people.
Okay.
But I would like to going further. I would like to design courses, level 1, level 2 courses on these,
Okay.
so that will definitely help people to maximize their potential by identifying what are their passions, what
Right.
are their limitations, what they want to be.
Right.
I will start with goal setting. What goal they have to set in life.
Right.
Yeah. So with this, I would like to offer services to people so that they can maximize their potential and really it will be helpful to enjoy their life.
Right.
So that is what is my medium to long term plan.
Okay. Great. So you are planning that you will give a proper strategy where to start, what actions you have to take, and how you are going to measure your results. Are you on a positive
Yes.
way, or what
Yeah, I will
else you require?
definitely
Yeah.
going to handhold them through this entire process
Okay.
because as I have seen, many people are not even clear about how to define a goal,
Right.
what they want in their life in
Yes.
next 5 years, in next 10 years.
Right.
So I give the live examples.
Yeah.
Say suppose now one of the persons I'm coaching, he has got a 2-year kid, a girl. So I told say now she is 2. By the time she is 18, definitely she will be needing a lot of funds for
Right.
education.
Yes.
So imagine what is the expense now,
Right.
and you can calculate the future value.
Yes.
So how much kitty you should be keeping ready
Right.
to give her the education,
Yeah.
and that is your in fact responsibility to give her the
Yes.
whatever
Yes.
education she would like. Then after few years you have to get her married.
Yes.
So, what are the expenses? You
Yeah.
calculate with normal 6% inflation rate.
Mm-hmm.
So, how much money you will be needing after 18 years or 25 years
Right.
henceforth?
Yes.
So, plan backward,
Yeah.
plan backward. and then I will start in the sense giving them some hints on how to fix the goals.
Right.
Okay, with this they are ignited, their minds are
Mhm.
ignited, they will discuss
Yeah.
with their family, with their
Right.
spouse and all. They will come out with some goals. Nice sir,
Right.
we want to do like this, we
Right.
want to look like this. Fine,
Right.
fine.
Right. Yeah.
So I will handhold, and in fact I will make them design their own life.
Right. Yeah. Means
I'm
ideas
showing you the
ideas are
correct.
theirs only. Yeah. Ideas are there only,
Yes,
but you only take out those ideas from them. This is your goal,
yes.
and this should be your actions, and then only you can
Yeah, ideas are
become
there,
successful.
decisions are there.
Mhm.
I'm only the guiding. I will guide them in a structured manner
Right.
to design those goals and to pursue them, so
Right.
that the chances of success are very high.
Right. Yes.
ऐसा नहीं कि after 18 years they come to know, no, no, it is not sufficient.
Right.
So with
Right. Right.
all the technical analysis, the background, the considering the inflation, what are the avenues possible,
Right.
what are their resources,
Mhm.
with all that I guide them properly so that they will be able to fulfill their dreams.
Right. I agree. I agree. I agree. Yeah. Thank you. So next thing, you definitely would have faced some of the challenges. So what are some of the challenges you faced when you first started into life coaching? You came into life coaching.
Yeah,
What were the
definitely.
challenges? Yeah.
As
Yeah.
yeah,
Mhm.
as I mentioned, I was training people. I'm training people for last 15 years.
Right.
Apart from technical trainings, the soft skills, the
Mhm.
motivational trainings, and
Mhm.
the self-improvement trainings,
Right.
somehow they were not that much gelling, in the sense that they were not that much appealing.
Mhm.
So I realized it that only by giving some time management training or something,
Mhm.
it is not going to help people.
Yes.
So I thought something is needed to trigger
Mhm.
their
Mhm.
interest,
Yes.
so that willingly they should come forward to my trainings.
Right. Yeah.
So then I designed a course on this life goals.
Okay.
Basically, what I have done is I have designed a training program on life goals on basic five attributes.
Okay.
Five attributes.
Mhm.
That is the health goals, then wealth goals, professional goals,
Mhm.
then personal goals, and
Right.
societal goals.
Societal goals.
With
Okay.
yeah, with this, it started triggering their interest.
Mhm.
They could relate to their real life story.
Goals. Yeah.
Then
Right.
they started, in fact, following me,
Yes.
asking me.
Mhm.
Initially, I was not clear. Means
Yeah.
what exactly will
I need
is
to
needed
do
in the market.
to
You can
help
say,
them out.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Right. Mhm.
yeah, yeah. And with this concept, now it is very easy to connect.
Right.
And this is now I have narrowed down as my macro niche. But of course,
Yes.
in this, there are a lot of things which I will be defining later
Mhm.
as the micro niche, depending on what exactly is their need,
Right.
individual's need.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Agree. Yeah. So we have come to this, that where do you find your clients then? Like you still working with your juniors and your friends and contacts, or you're exploring some online strategies also to get clients? Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Apart from my juniors, friend circle, and their friends, their
Mhm.
contacts,
Mhm.
I'm also exploring certain things to reach out to the target, you can say target audience, or
Yes. Right.
target trainees or whatever.
Right.
One thing is what I will be doing is contacting all these colleges, especially engineering colleges, diploma
Okay.
colleges. I have got some
Professional colleges in,
contacts,
yeah.
professional colleges. Second is the young working professionals
Okay.
between 25 and 30. They have just started the working. They have money in their hand, but they are leading a rudderless life because they don't
Right.
know what
Yeah.
to do.
Right.
What to do. So this is the segment I will be targeting. Of course, in the last one and a half years, due to this pandemic, almost all the colleges are closed, and a
Right.
lot of things are there.
Right.
But this is where I'm targeting to get the clientele,
Okay.
so that this is the, because say to design your life and to be really successful, you'll be needing a span of at least 20-25 years.
Yes.
So this is the right age group, in the sense the students and young professionals. So
Okay.
whatever we design, the goals and
Mhm.
all, they have some 20-25 years to pursue. So that is what I'm looking at.
And definitely, I'll suggest that you should plan for 35 plus years also, because people are actually came to know at that time only that my decision was wrong and now I should do something different. So,
Yeah, same story with me. As I told, by the time we realize we are almost nearing 40s,
right.
and
Yeah. And
so
those people are actually more stuck because they don't know what to do now. So,
yeah.
if somebody can help them out in that situation,
Yeah,
that would be good.
definitely.
Yeah.
See, I'm open to all, but why I'm in the sense of why I informed you, like students and the young professionals,
Mhm.
there you can lay the foundation.
Right.
There you can lay the foundation.
Mhm.
So if you lay the foundation
Right.
correctly, then the
Proper. Yes.
structure will be, you can build a
Uh,
efficient structure.
yes.
Yeah.
Strong.
For those people in mid 30s or early 40s,
Mhm.
already foundation is built.
Built
But
there.
still,
Mhm.
definitely we can help out and do a lot of course correction, because still
Yes.
another around 20 plus years service is left, or
Left. Yeah.
working span. I'm not just referring to the even businessmen.
Yeah.
So that span is left. Definitely, it will be helpful.
Okay. You have coached a lot of people till date, and you have actually given them how to move ahead. So, if I have to ask, what is your favorite part about being a coach? Like, this is something which you like about coaching, your coaching. Uh, there are a lot of coaching, but then what do you like about your coaching, your style of coaching? Yes.
Yeah, basically, as I informed, my this coaching is depending on five pillars:
Yeah.
the health goal,
Mhm.
wealth goal,
Mhm.
professional, financial, and societal goals.
Right.
So, in health goals, what I teach them, let us have some basic attributes
Yes.
which you can measure easily, because all these should be measurable.
Right.
Okay, so which you can measure easily, and find out the status, like your height, measure your weight,
Yeah.
blood pressure,
Mhm.
sugar level.
Yes.
Then with this you can you will know what is your BMI.
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then there are some standard tables which tell what has to be the range.
Yes.
Okay. Then start working towards it.
Yeah. Mhm.
Start working towards it. Maybe
Right.
one is overweight, one may be underweight,
Mhm.
one may be super overweight,
Yes. Mhm.
very obese
Yeah.
category 2 and all.
Right. Right.
Okay. And some may be having some problem of the blood pressure or sugar.
Mhm. Yes.
See, I'm not a doctor, and we are not supposed to be that. So
Yeah.
with these indicators, attributes,
Mhm.
you
Mhm.
can, I advise them to consult your doctor, MD
Mhm.
doctor or a physician,
Mhm.
and get the proper advice and start correcting it.
Right.
So when you follow the correct lifestyle, see, basically
Mhm.
what has happened in this computer age, in this
Digital era.
fast-paced life, yeah,
Mhm.
digital age, fast-paced
Mhm.
age, especially the urban. See, we are moving away from the nature.
Right.
We are not following the nature.
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
What the nature tells, you have to get
Mhm.
up early, you have to
Yes.
go to sleep
Mhm.
early,
Right.
because there is some scientific reason behind it.
Yes.
As sun rises, see,
Mhm.
all your mechanisms, the
Mhm.
hormone secretion, everything will be starting with that.
Right.
And when the sun is in mid of the day,
Mhm.
so you are at your
Yeah.
peak of your digestion, peak of
Right.
your vigor, health.
Yes. Yes.
So you have to devise or design your food habits accordingly.
Yes.
So you should have the morning breakfast, and the lunch has to be heavy. You
Yeah.
should have a full
Yeah. Full
course
stomach. Yeah.
lunch. Yeah,
Mhm.
full stomach
Mhm.
lunch.
Mhm.
And as the sun sets, means
Mhm.
again
Mhm.
lights are dimming down.
Yeah.
So you should follow accordingly. In the
Yes.
sense, during the sunset, or within 1.5 hours of the sunset, you should have the light food, and then
You go to sleep. Yeah.
slowly you should
Mhm.
calming down.
Right.
Keep away the mobiles, be away
Mhm.
from the blue light and the
Mhm.
TV screens,
Mhm.
and you should hit the bed at around ideally 10.
Yeah.
And one should have at least 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep.
Minimum. Yes. Minimum.
Yeah, yeah. So if you follow this, most of your problems are solved,
Right.
because we are aligning ourselves with the nature.
Nature. Yes.
So this is regarding the health. So
Right.
regarding the wealth, then as per their requirement, their goals, and I encourage them to enjoy the freedom,
Yes.
financial freedom.
Yes.
So in this, I tell them like fix your long-term goals, short-term goals, medium-term goals. Okay, and understand. I discuss with them the limiting beliefs.
Right.
Okay, because most of the people are still influenced by their parents and their relatives with
Right.
respect to investment. They don't decide on their own.
Right. Yeah.
Do the fixed deposit, keep it in a
Stock market, and then yeah.
yeah, keep it in a bank FD,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yes.
Not the other ways that are available, other avenues that are available. Like you got stock market, you got the bullion market,
Right.
you got
Yes.
the real estate.
Yes.
So
Mutual funds. Yeah.
I
Lot of things.
mutual
Yes.
funds, yeah. So I train them on these things.
Okay.
Take out the limiting beliefs, because most people have the belief that if you enter the share market, you get broke.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, it is not that. There is a
Yeah.
particular method,
Yes.
depending on your risk appetite, your age.
Yes.
You can invest in some good stocks. And see, stock market is for not day. I don't recommend, and I'm not also doing the day trading and all.
Right.
So invest for at least medium to long term. You
Yeah.
have good benefits. And as from the NSE and BSE, if you follow the indices, over 30-year period, there is a wonderful return. It's always
Yes.
growing. Yeah.
And blue chip companies are giving a lot of returns, or a lot of good returns.
Yeah, sure.
If you can plan better, you will definitely can have a
yeah, definitely.
portfolio. Yeah.
So I help them to plan all these things. So your portfolio should include one is you can say the stocks, bonds, then gold. Okay, if possible, real estate.
Right.
Huh? And one account you should have. You should have a safety net, because see, we're all in a period of uncertainty.
Yes.
So at least you should accumulate your 6 to 12 months monthly minimum requirements, so that your bread and butter, your family
Shouldn't suffer. Yeah.
shouldn't suffer.
Yeah.
So first you should keep that aside. 6 to
Right.
12 months of your monthly expenses, whatever, you should keep them aside.
Right.
Then start in these avenues. Start
Yes.
investing in shares. Start investing in start purchasing gold. So I'm influenced also by the Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Okay.
So I tell people, you should develop your passive income,
Right.
because active income gets stopped once you stop working.
Yes.
And in case of any unfortunate events, your active income will immediately stop.
Yes.
So
Yes.
always you should start building the passive income,
Passive
and
income,
this
yeah.
should start at a very early age,
Yes.
in 20s, if
Yeah.
you are depending on
If
yourself.
possible, you should start at that time only. Yeah.
Yes. So start building a passive income. Have a side hustle.
Yes.
You can depend on the dividend income. You can depend on the rental income. You can depend on some other royalty or whatever the income. So start building that. So when you have the, you are not worried about your monthly paycheck or whatever the things, then you have the freedom.
Yes.
Then you have the financial freedom. So if you
Right.
decide to go with your family for a week's vacation, you should not worry. You simply you should be able to go. That is what is needed. That
Yes.
gives you the financial freedom, because even when you are on vacation, even when you are sleeping, you are earning.
Yes.
So that is what is important.
Right.
That is what
Right.
is important.
Yes.
See, all your degrees, your ranks, everything, even if you are earning in lakhs, it doesn't matter if you don't know how to utilize and how to invest and how to grow.
Yes. Agreed.
One day
Very
you will
true.
be broke. One
Yeah.
day you will be broke. Even if you have a smaller salary, with proper discipline and guidance,
Yeah.
still you can be more successful, and you can lead a very good financial
You
freedom
can be
life.
financially free. You could
Yes,
be
yes,
financially free
yes.
also. Yeah.
And that is what is needed.
Right.
Because see, all the people will not be having the same level of incomes. So I am designing the courses in such a way that with whatever income you have, with proper discipline,
Yeah.
you should be able to achieve the goals.
Right.
So I teach them about the active income, passive income. I teach them about the asset and the liabilities.
Okay.
See, most of the people are they mistake about assets and liabilities. They think these are the assets, but basically those are the liabilities.
Liabilities, actually, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So if you we start giving training in such a manner, naturally people will be really in the sense they can really do their design their life wonderfully.
Right,
That is
right.
what, because in traditional Indian families, still it is there, in front of children, no financial talks are done. If you
Yes.
want to discuss something financial,
Yeah,
you tell,
you'll
no,
go
just
to a
go and
corner and
play.
then you'll start talking. Yeah.
Yeah, go and play or something like that.
Right, right,
So
yeah.
that is wrong. We should start teaching our kids from a very young age on finance,
Yeah.
how to manage finance,
Yes.
so how to grow finance,
Right.
what are the different avenues, what is the financial discipline.
Yes.
These are very, very important things.
Yes.
And this is a part of my course also.
Okay.
The prospective or the future parents, if I start telling them these things, naturally their children's life will be much more better,
Right.
because there is abundance in life. There is
Yeah.
abundance in life.
And they
So
are
one
getting
should,
result. If you're telling, so they are
yeah,
getting
yeah, yeah,
result also. So that they
yeah,
become
yeah,
happy.
yeah,
Yeah. Right.
yeah. So that is what their satisfaction, and when they come back to me that I have achieved so and so, I am able to do and so. So that satisfaction is much more. That makes me really happy.
Great. Great. Right.
Yeah,
Great.
yeah,
Great.
yeah.
One last thing. What advice would you share with someone who wants to become a life coach, who wants to start his journey from he's starting from scratch. So what advice from your side will be there for such a guy? Yeah.
Yeah. Say one simple thing is this life coach. You cannot become a life coach just by undergoing a course or reading some books.
Great.
So first of all, you should have experienced all this in your life.
Yes.
That is very much essential.
Yeah.
Very much essential. Then only you can be a coach. You can be a mentor, because
Yeah.
the mentor, in fact, shares his experience, life experience.
Yes.
That is what is important. See, now there is no dearth for information. You just Google it, you get everything.
Yeah, you'll get it done.
There's
You'll
no
get
dearth
it.
for information.
Right.
But how many people you are encouraging or you are motivating to act upon?
Yes.
That is your success.
Great.
So just making a PPT or copying from some
Different
internet
resources.
is very easy.
Yes.
Lot of information is available.
Yes.
But how to convert the information, or how you change the mindset of people in order that they start implementing and reaping the benefits.
Great.
That is very, very important. So
Yes.
my advice will be to become a life coach. Actually, you should have experienced that life journey.
Yes.
First of all, you
Yes.
should have a technical and analytical mindset.
Yes.
You should be able to see from the client's view,
Yeah. Where he's
their
stuck and
perspective,
what
where he's stuck.
he can do
Yeah,
to make his life better. Yes.
yeah, yeah. And we should have good like questioning skills.
Yes.
Empathy is very important.
Right.
Empathy is very important, and
Yes.
we should handhold them. We should not advise anything, but we should guide them so that they design their life,
Right.
because each and every individual is very unique.
Yes.
Their needs are unique. They have come
Right.
from a different background, different belief set, different culture, different mindset.
Yes.
So what we can do is try to change their mindset to align to the actual requirements that are needed
Right.
to enjoy this financial freedom.
Yes.
That is what is my mission, to lead a happy, prosperous, and spiritual lifestyle.
Right.
And in fact, along with this, I will be much more happy to tell them spirituality is a part of our whatever we do. So
Right.
spirituality is nothing different.
Right.
So I am a follower of Paramahansa Yogananda. You know this
Okay.
YSS, Yogoda
Yes.
Satsanga Society from almost last you can say 30 years.
Okay.
So I do some meditations and all.
Mhm.
So this inner realization will definitely help you to understand
Mhm.
what are your limitations, what are your
Yes.
strengths.
Yes.
So as a coach, we
Mhm.
should encourage them to exploit their full potential
Right.
in whatever field they would like to excel or they have their
Right.
passion.
Right.
So that is what is important.
Yes.
We are like a tool.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
that we should help them to understand what are their passions, because most of the
Mhm.
people don't know what are their passions.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
To understand their passions, what are their
Mhm.
strengths, what are
Yeah.
their weaknesses,
Mhm.
and how to work on those weaknesses to improve,
Right.
how to set goals.
Yes.
Then other techniques like you can say visualization,
Yes.
gratitude.
Yes.
These are very, very important. You
Yes.
cannot keep these aside.
Yeah.
So my way of spirituality is this:
Mhm.
you get to know yourself, the
Yes.
inner self.
Right.
Spirituality is hidden there.
Yeah.
It is nothing different. It is
Yes.
nothing different.
Mhm. Mhm.
And last thing I would be teaching this is the societal goals.
Okay.
Means say we live in this society.
Yes.
Okay, nature has given us abundance,
Right.
so it is our duty to pay back to the society.
Right.
Okay, so in all wherever it is possible, I encourage and personally I do the tree plantation.
Okay.
This is very important in
Right.
nowadays
Right.
because of the
Yeah.
CO2
This
emissions.
scenario. Yeah. To this scenario, it is
Yeah,
really
yeah,
very important. Now people are actually realizing that this should be done. Yeah. Yes.
yeah. That one. And
Mhm.
by societal goals, I mean you should pay back to the society. I
Right.
personally, I have started a prize for the people for the students excelled in 10th standard.
Okay.
I have started with 11,000 rupees prize. I
Okay.
distribute
Great.
from this year. I have already distributed
Mhm.
11,000 as the one-time prize. Secondly, there are many ways you can pay back to the society. When you
Yes.
go into a restaurant,
Mhm.
many people I've seen they hesitate to pay the tips.
Right.
Uh, Pay the tips. Pay
Yeah.
the tips. You see,
Yeah.
for that person earning 3-4 thousand rupees, even 50 rupees is a big amount.
Yes. On that
Yeah,
day, on that particular day. Yeah.
yeah,
And
yeah,
and you
and
are if you are happy, so what's the issue? You can definitely pay. If you
yeah,
can pay
yeah.
three
But
thousand, so
that
you can pay 3,050 also. Yes.
yeah, that mindset is to be there. That mindset see, by giving 50 you will not become poor, he will not
Yeah.
become rich,
Right.
but that satisfaction, that smile on his face, that is
Yeah.
much more important,
Much
that is
more
much
important.
more valuable.
Agreed. Agreed.
Then in the valet you can pay the tips to the valet boy.
Right.
If there is some liftman, you can
Mhm.
tip them. You can
Yeah.
help the needy students.
Right.
May not be always with the money. You can give
Yes.
them some books or
Advice.
whatever
Yeah.
the thing,
Right.
advice. You can spare your time also. Time is also one of the things you
Mhm.
can do. Volunteer yourself
Right.
to some old age homes, something
Yes.
like that. So paying back to society is very, very satisfying. And this I'm advising all. You should not wait that once I get so much salary, then I will start. No, no, no. From your very first paycheck or your
Yeah.
very first income,
Mhm.
start contributing at least 2%.
Yeah. Keep a
Even
small
if you're
amount aside and then start
yeah,
doing
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah. Even if you're earning 10,000 rupees,
Mhm.
definitely you can
Spend
spend
two
two
hundred, three
hundred
hundred
spend
rupees
200
minimum. Yeah.
rupees.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is what is needed. This I want to inculcate in the masses, in the children, in the students, in the working class, so that there's an all-round development.
Yes.
Okay, so health is wealth. So health
Mhm.
first is health goal. Wealth goal, of course, wealth is very much needed. Everything boils down to ultimately that. Then your professional goals means what you want to do in your profession. Either you are a working professional or you are a businessman or you are a freelancer. You should know in next 5 years where want you want to reach. In next 10 years where you want to
Right.
reach. So
Right.
for that, what efforts you need to make?
Mhm.
Probably you need to take a course.
Yes.
You need to take a help of a coach or a
Right.
mentor.
Yes.
Whatever is needed, I
Mhm.
will guide them in that.
Yes.
Similarly, in your personal, what you want to do in your personal, you want
Yeah.
to enjoy a foreign trip vacation with your
Mhm.
family. You
Yeah.
want to buy some jewelry to your wife. You
Right.
want to give the best education,
Yeah,
or
to your
you want to
child. Yeah.
pursue your
Yes.
passion. say you like mountaineering, all you should have
Yeah.
time and energy and
Hmm.
money to pursue that.
Do that, right?
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to write a book, do it.
Yeah.
Uh, if
Start
you
from
want,
somewhere. Keep doing it. Yeah.
yes,
Don't
start
stop.
from
Yeah.
somewhere. So
Yeah.
these are your personal goals, and of
Yes.
course the societal goals. So
Right.
with this five pillar principle,
Mhm.
my idea is to enrich the life of the people who I'm coaching or training, so
Right.
that there has to be the all-round development, and the ultimate goal is the financial freedom. You
Yes.
should be feel free to do whatever you
Yeah. If
like
you're
whenever you
earning,
do.
yeah, if you're earning, you should
Yes.
enjoy that. If you can't enjoy
Yeah,
that,
yeah,
so
yeah.
the earning is not at all
Definitely,
important.
definitely. See, there is a saying that you shouldn't use your BMW to go to hospital. You should
Right.
use
Yeah.
your BMW to enjoy a trip.
Right.
Huh?
Yes.
For many
Yes.
people who have seen, there is a driver, there is a posh car in the lobby, but
Yeah.
due to ill health, the person is not
Mhm.
able to go out.
Go out.
So, what
Right.
is the benefit of all
Yeah.
this wealth accumulated?
Right. Right. Agreed. Sir. Agreed.
So health is very important.
Yes.
Health is important. And lastly, I would like to tell like Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu.
Yes.
So we should pray always for betterment of
Everybody.
the
Yeah.
masses, betterment of the entire universe. That will definitely bring you a lot of prosperity, a lot of good things
Yes.
on you.
Yes.
So this is what is my idea of why
Yeah.
I want to be a life coach, how I'll be going about it, where I find my passion, where I find my satisfaction.
Great.
So this
Yeah. And
was
if anybody, you should follow these steps, so you definitely can.
yes, yes, yes. And we should align with nature all the time. We
Right.
are
Right.
moving away from the nature. Try as far as possible to align with the nature,
Nature. Agreed.
so that that will definitely help you to improve your physical health, mental health,
Great.
and the emotional health. That is
Yes.
very, very important. Be aligned to the nature.
Great. Anilji, one last thing, this is completely a pandemic situation. So, if people want to reach to you or being coached by you, so where they can find your services? Where can they find? Is the website is the only source, or you have LinkedIn and other sources also? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If they go to my website
Yeah.
under the link tree, they can find me on Facebook, LinkedIn,
Mhm.
Twitter,
Okay.
Insta. So all those links are there. Even they can
Okay.
reach
So
out
on your
my
website itself, that is
yeah.
amazinglifestylehub.com.
You
Yeah.
phone,
All that.
yes, your phone number is there. Even the
Okay.
email ID is there. They can
Okay. Okay.
reach me out.
Yeah, yeah. Great, great. So people can definitely reach from that one point of contact. Yes, great.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, thank you very much, Anilji, to coming to the show and sharing your 34 years of knowledge with us and different life aspects. How, what time one should sleep, what life goals or what financial goals they should pursue, and how to do that. Also, you're telling. So that's a very informative thing for people. So thank you for that. Uh, yeah,
Thank you,
your thoughts,
Chakradhar,
please.
for inviting me on this show and giving me an opportunity to express my feelings and whatever the little knowledge I have gained, so
Right,
that even if it is helpful to one or two people, I will be grateful
right.
if it can
My goal is
impact.
also
If it
the, yeah.
impact,
My goal is also the same, sir. That people, if somebody is coming and they have, everybody has some other thing to share. So if they can
yeah,
share with the people, and if a single person is also getting benefit from it, so it's a great thing for me also. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So thank you very much. Thank you once
Thank
again.
you very
Yeah,
much. Yeah,
coming on the show
yeah,
and sharing your
yeah.
knowledge with all us.
It
Thank
was
you.
nice talking to you. Thank you,
Yes,
thank
same
you.
here, sir. Thank you. Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.